getting familiar with other cultures was encouraged. The German immigrants were widely discriminated. Transcendentalists welcomed them. The most respected and valued literature and poetry and plays and art all came from Germany, and Louisa's whole worldview was based on German philosophy. The 2019 film has been criticized for not including transcendentalist ideas, and when Greta Gerwig was promoting her film, she made tons of xenophobic statements about Friedrich's character, him being German, and him speaking with a German accent, and how Greta Gerwig thought it was repulsive. All these xenophobic comments, they don't align with Louisa's philosophy about the transnational family.